We are one step closer to the launch of Dogeverse, which will be happening very, very soon, ladies and gents. Welcome back in to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. So I want to make a quick update video on Dogeverse, which is going to sell, just looking at my calendar right now, it's going to be launching very soon. We're looking between 2 and 3 weeks. Time is indeed running out for this ultra high potential meme coin, right? So we can see meme coins are on the up. Lots of coins are moving very bullishly at the moment. And Dogeverse is absolutely one of these. Many investors are talking about right now, with over $15 million raised. This multi-chain utility-based meme coin could be the next disruptor in the crypto market. So we can see Dogeverse, one small step for man, one giant leap for multi-chain. So this could be poised as one of the big ones. You can buy it across 6 different chains. You've indeed got Solana, you've got Base, Avalanche. You've also got Polygon Matic, BEP20, and ERC20. So it doesn't really care about the ecosystem preference. It's all about bringing the community together from multiple different chains, all into one ecosystem, which is going to have that cross-chain interoperability. And hopefully we'll see multiple centralized exchanges and DEXs at the same time for this awesome looking coin right here. So we can see over here, just checking out an article from Crypto Potato. It says, as the Pepe price surges, crypto analyst tips Dogeverse to pump next. Meme coins are once again stealing the spotlight because they're above $50 billion in valuation right now. And it says that Dogeverse is one of the hottest ongoing pre-sales. Some analysts believe it could be one to watch ahead of its DEX debut in the coming weeks. So if we do see Pepe and all the other memes rise, it's going to give Dogeverse a very good chance at, of course, rising as well. It'll be very well timed. 57% per annum on the staking rewards if you are looking to compound those gains as well, guys. But remember, that part is, of course, not financial advice. It's up to you if you want to stake. Personally, I don't really do much on the staking side. I just pretend to sort of buy straight into my DEX wallet and then claim them and be able to sell them freely when I wish to. So yeah, quick update here. Things are looking good. Remember, the supply is only 200 billion tokens on this particular meme here. So overall, not too many tokens. You're not going to see tons of zeros attached to the price tag. There's not going to be any inflation as well that dilutes the token value. And I think that's important with these meme coins, that we don't see those token emissions that do effectively destroy ecosystems over time. So yeah, fingers crossed it's going to be good. Phase 5, got the centralized exchange listings, continued marketing, community incentives. Are things looking good for Dogeverse? What do you think about the coin, Dogeverse? Let me know in the comments, 99 Bitcoiners. I'm very keen to hear from you all. And if you have any questions regarding how to get into it, please do comment down below as well. Hit the thumbs up, share this with the world, let everyone in the meme coin world know about Dogeverse, and many whales are buying into it. So one Dogeverse is $0.00031. You hit the connect wallet button, and that's when you can choose your preferred DeFi wallet to then either convert Ethereum or tether directly into your desired amount of Dogeverse tokens. Thanks for watching, ladies and gents. Links are all down below as usual. And let's see what the markets have for us in the upcoming days and weeks. Bye for now. Stay crypto safe.